MCQ of computer organization. In this video, I will discuss different MCQ questions from different topics of computer organization. Add the value of 45 to the address of R1 and the store 45 in that address. No. Add 45 to the value of R1 and store it in R1. That is right answer B. In case of zero address instruction method, the operands are stored in push down stack. We know that zero address result is always stored in push down stack. The three addressing mode which makes use of indirection pointer is that is indirection pointer indirect addressing mode. Addressing mode which use PC instead of general purpose register is known as relative addressing mode. When we use auto increment and auto decrement, which are the following is true? Option A, in both the address is used to retrieve the operand and then address get altered. No, false. In auto increment, the operand is retrieved first, then the address is altered. Correct. Operand is retrieved first, then address is altered. Both of them can be used in general purpose register as well as memory location. Yes, 2 and 3 are correct. Option 2 and 3. Addressing mode where you directly specify the operand, that is immediate addressing mode. When generating physical addresses from logical addresses, offset is stored in. We have to convert generating physical address from logical address. We need offset is stored in. Translation look at. When generating physical address from the logical address, the offset is stored in relocation register. Relocation register offset stored. Unit which act as an intermediate agent between memory and backing store to reduce process time is TLB, translation look aside buffer. এটা খুব ফাস্ট কাজ করে, এখানে আমরা মেমোরি আর ব্যাকিং স্টোরের মধ্যে প্রসেসিং টাইমটা রিডিউস করা হয়। The boot sector files of the system are stored in ROM. এখানে ROM is stored হয় read only memory. The transfer of large chunk of data with the involvement of the processor is done by DMA controller, direct memory access controller. Which are the following technique used to effectively utilize main memory? That is dynamic linking. Consider the sequence of micro operation. MBR memory buffer register program counter updated হচ্ছে অ্যাড্রেসটা, MAR X ট্রান্সফার হচ্ছে PC তে Y and মেমোরিতে MBR। তো এটা থ্রু দিয়ে কি করছি আমরা? এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি পসিবল অপারেশন করতে পারি, ইনস্ট্রাকশন ফেচ না, অপারেন্ট ফেচ নয়, কন্ডিশনাল ব্রাঞ্চও নয়, এখানে ইন্টারাপ্ট ইনিশিয়েটিভ হচ্ছে, mean initiation of interrupt services. এখানে interrupt এর জন্য initiate করা হচ্ছে। In designing computer cache system, the cache block is an important parameter. Which of the following statement is correct? A smaller block implies better spatial locality. No. A smaller block implies the smaller cache tag and hence lower cache tag over it. No. A smaller block size implies a larger cache tag and hence lower cache sheet time. No. A smaller block size incur on a lower cache miss penalty. That is correct answer. This one is the correct option D. A line CPU with a single ALU, to consider the following situation: J+1 instruction use the result of J instruction. Yes, are correct. The execution of conditional jump instruction. Yes, J and J+1 instruction require ALU. At the same time, which of the can cause hazard? All of the three can cause hazard, because when you use J+J instruction result, যখন J+1 instruction ইউজ করবে এটা অপারেন্ড হিসাবে, তখন এটা হ্যাজার্ড হতে পারে। তো সবকটাতেই এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি হ্যাজার্ড হওয়ার চান্স আছে, যেটা হ্যাজার্ড, কন্ট্রোল হ্যাজার্ড অ্যান্ড স্ট্রাকচারাল হ্যাজার্ড। প্রসেসর কখন সাফার করে? The pipeline stages have different over delays. Yes. Consecutive instruction dependent on each other. Yes. একটা instruction একটা instructor dependent. The pipeline stages share hardware resources. True. All of the above. All of the above is correct. More than one word are put in one cache block. যদি আমরা একটা ক্যাশ ব্লকের মধ্যে more than one পুট করি তাহলে কি প্রবলেম হতে পারে? Exploit the spatial locality of reference in a program. একই জায়গায় অনেক কটা ওয়ার্ড যদি চলে আসে তাহলে সে spatial locality of reference হতে পারে। B is the correct answer. Matching of the following pair. X immediate addressing এর সাথে definitely a pointer is connected, তাহলে X এর সাথে pointer connected to Y immediate addressing যেখানে constant হতে হয়, Y এর সাথে 3 connected and Z এর সাথে 1. C is the right answer. For computer based 3 address instruction format, each address field can be used to specify which of the following: a memory operand. Yes, true. A processor register is true. An implied accumulator register. No. Either S1 or S2 is correct. Implied mean definitely specify implicitly the definition of the instruction. Instruction এর মধ্যেই অ্যাড্রেস পুরো কাজটা দেওয়া থাকে। Immediate mean the immediate mean specify the registers, register এর মধ্যে দেওয়া থাকে ভ্যালুটা, that is b equal to 3. C register addressing mode, register which are used in the CPU, C is 1, and register indirect mean indirectly specify the address, that is b equal to 2. Option is 1. 1 is the correct choice. Minimum time delay between initiation of two independent memory locations are called cycle time. The search concept used in associative memory is definitely parallel search. In DMA transfer, the transfer scheme other than the burst mode is cycle stealing method technique. The term written as string of zeros and ones is a binary microprogram, that is microprogram. Register that keeps track the instruction in the program stored in memory, that is known as program control registers. Register that keeps track of the instruction in the program is known as program counter. Full form of CISC in complex instruction set computers. C. Which register can interact the secondary storage? Definitely memory address register. SIMD stand for single instruction stream, multiple data stream, that is D. Which memory is programmed to initiate the required sequence of microoperation in microprogram control, that is control memory. The main difference between CISC and RISC is RISC has a few instructions, yes. RISC has few addressing mode, yes. CISC has fewer registers. No, both A and B, the main difference between CISC and RISC. Which microoperation carry information from one register to another register? Register transfer, arithmetic, logical, all of these. Definitely register transfer. How many types of microoperation there? There are 4 types of microoperation. Which shift is used for sign binary number? Sign binary number জন্য যেটা ইউজ করা হয় সেটা definitely arithmetic shift. SDRAM stand for synchronous dynamic random access memory. PDR stand for double data rate 2. Double data rate. Shift is used to divide sign number by 2. Always arithmetic right shift. Logical microoperation equal to multiplied by 2. The important field of an instruction are opcode operand, both A and B. Subject computer organization. Thank you very much for watching this video.